Hello and welcome along to the Great Central Railway at Loughborough in Leicestershire. I'm here today on a special day for the inaugural passenger runs of the Deltic locomotive Tulyar, named after a famous racehorse. And here we go, here she comes, the return of the racehorse. Please take a second to like and even subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. Thanks very much for watching. So, Tulyar is a British Rail Class 55 Deltic locomotive. Later, initial service number D9015, later renumbered 55015. Named after Tulyar, the famous thoroughbred racehorse owned by the Aga Khan, which won the Derby, St Leger and Eclipse Stakes in 1952. It's easy to draw a parallel between this loco and a champion racehorse. They're both thoroughbreds in their own ways, the loco being a 100-ton Goliath, built by English Electric Vulcan Foundry in 1961, entered British Railways service on October the 13th, 1961. Delivered in BR two-tone green livery, based at Finsbury Park, London and York. A total of 22 production class 55 Deltics were built by English Electric in 1961 and 62. This followed the construction of a single prototype in 1955. 6 of the 22 production class 55s were saved for preservation and can occasionally still be seen running in the UK. To learn more about their history or track down the surviving engines, you can visit the Deltic Preservation Society. There are now just 6 of these left in preservation. The Deltic Preservation Society owns 3 of them. Deltics are powered by 2 Napier Deltic 18-cylinder opposed piston 2-stroke diesel engines. producing a combined 3,300 horsepower, known for an iconic roaring multi-tonal pitch, often described as a distinctive Deltic scream or deep resonance, caused by their unique triangular crankshaft arrangement and high revving two-stroke setup.